Hi, this is Captain Tim at MarineMax Venice aboard another beautiful new listing that we have here available down at the Venice location. She's a 350 Sea Ray Sundancer, a 2010 with Mercruiser Magnum engines and AXIUS control. This boat was actually just run down by its present owners from up in Wisconsin, doing half of the Great Loop so far. It's a freshwater boat, and it's amazing how well this 2010 Sea Ray looks. It's a true testament to the, a boat that's up in the freshwater lakes, how nice and how easy the environment is on it. Very, little, if any, corrosion can be found on the boat. Everything is in superior shape, and I would just tell you to definitely put this on your list if you're in the market for this type of vessel. As you can see, she has a fully equipped helm station. It's got radar, GPS, chart plotter, VHF radio, all Ray Marine products, vessel view system to take a look at your engine controls, fully equipped gauges. You can see it has the digital throttle system, AXIUS joystick, upgraded stereo system. Of course, it has skyhook, which is a real nice feature to have on a boat. Looking forward on the bow, we have a automatic vent forward window. She also has a windlass anchor system up front with controls up on the forward bow as well as at your helm station. You can see all the upholstery and the seating is all in terrific shape. We have a helm and companion seat with double bolsters. Twin flat screen TVs here in the back. It's got the full camper top that's all in excellent condition. Zippers all work. It's got the zip out screens. She has the wet bar with refrigeration, fresh water shower on the stern, and you can see you have a nice large entertainment area here in the cockpit. Also has a removable cockpit table that's made out of teak. Let's take a look down below. Going down into the cabin, you can see there's quality everywhere you look. Beautiful upholstery. Nice rich woodwork. This has the gloss cherry interior. We've got an island bed configuration forward in the bow, which could be the owner's stateroom. Lots of cabinetry. Plenty of room for storage. Take a look at the gloss on the cabinets. Beautiful window coverings. Have a nice large flat screen TV built into the back. We have a sofa which actually converts into a double bed for additional sleeping space, as well as an aft stateroom which will give your guests plenty of privacy and additional storage back here. This also has a built-in flat screen TV and DVD video system. Full electrical panel with Sony stereo system. This boat also has a Kohler generator with 38.9 hours showing on the meter. And we'll move over to the port side and take a look at the head. Have a fully enclosed private head. Plenty of storage as well. Stainless steel sink. Full shower. And it's got a full fiberglass liner, which allows you to keep everything nice and clean and nice and tidy. Moving port side forward to the galley, you got plenty of galley storage, a microwave, stainless steel sink, double burner stove, and an additional refrigerator down here. And we'll take a quick look outside. Moving to the stern of the boat, you have a nice large swim platform. Also have radio controls, speakers in the back. Taking a look at the swim ladder that drops down. It has twin Mercruiser Bravo 3 outdrives, dual prop, trim tabs, underwater lighting. Moving to the starboard side, you can see the boat is in extremely nice condition. This particular boat has just completed 2,000 miles of the Great Loop. And a view from the front to the bow. This is a 2010 Sea Ray 350 Sundancer, available through MarineMax Venice. Give us a call. Love to take and give you a personal tour of this boat today.